Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Solidworks Tips and Tricks. In today's session, we are going to conduct our next session regarding CAD modeling. So our today's topic is how to create a part template and how to save it to use for multiple times. So basically, if you see here, this is my I already opened the Solidworks. Now what I want is key. If you go for a new, you will see these three icon part assembly drawing. So what I want in advance, I want to create a custom template of a part uh, with the setting what I want to use. So for that, first I need to create a new part. In that, I go for a part, click OK. Now I am using a default template. With the help of this default template, I will create my customized template. Now here, let's say my units are mmgs. If you want it in let's say you weight, you want that would be in kg, then in here document you will see this unit option. In that you can go for customize, and if you change your mass to kg, so this setting I have changed. Now in system option, the in color you will see different options are there. If you want this white background should be in dark, then you can go for a dark, and other options are there with the dynamic highlight will be seen by this orange color, then selected item would be seen by this bluish color. You can change as per as as you want. Then any other setting you can change. If you go for a file location, okay, so we will just create first template. So this is my setting. You can see this is black and my custom unit is in millimeter, kilogram and second. So this is my by default setting. Let's say in option I want to check one more option regarding auto rotate. I'll check that option in sketch. Ah, this command is already tick, so no need to worry. I also enable the numeric input values. I have created one separate window regarding this output. I will give link to my button, so I will click OK. Now this is what I need a setting. If I, let's say if you want it's a plain white, then you can change whatever background you want. So let's say this is my background. So I means I want to work in this background. And one more thing, if you want to change this theme of your feature to your classic one, then there is an option in options. If you go for a color, if you go for color, in that this default, if you change to classic, your SolidWorks will look different. You can see here the icons get changed little bit. So this is my template now. And if you want to add anything else like material or other anything, you can add it in your part template. Now for saving, I have to go to file, then save. In that I need to select part template. It automatically takes you to default template path. You can see here. In here I will put it as a uh, let's say solid box part. Is what you need to save that as a part. You can rename it as per your accordingly. Then I go for a save. Now all the setting along with this theme and other things are saved in that part template. Now if you change this option color, if I go for a normal default and let's say light default, and okay. Okay, so my this is a default setting. Now if I go for new, here you can see my SolidWorks part template is there. If you open it, system setting is won't save here, only graphical window setting would be saved. So you can see my document template setting is already shown here. My custom unit is mmgs and other things are there. And if you go for this option setting, in that other than system options means basically system option you have changed, so because of that option get changed. And if you want to set this template as your default, then you have to go for a document template. In part you need to select Solidworks part as your default template and click OK. Then your template is going to be default, means every time you don't need to select this Solidworks template, it automatically opens up. And in file location, if you go for a default templates, you will see whatever links, means in these links you can easily save your template. It will pop up in that window. Whatever links are here, you can add your customized link also there, and you can assign that part template to a particular location. So this is how you can use a part template, and this is how you can create a new one. So thanks for watching.